hit me with words you don't say, it still hurts. So I'll hit you back by biting my tongue, and we'll have a war without any volume. I will remember, I'll just remember the sounds we used to make. But memories have no noise. Memories have no voice. No voice.